Alrighty, so today I'm cutting all the beads, all the imperfections that are obvious on this side of the skin and on this side of the skin, and getting it closer to body work. It takes a long time. Ugh, rain. Slowing me down. The rain. Pretty rainy day at the shop. Lots of water. But we're gonna go ahead and use electricity only. What could happen? Anyway, so I've got to trim this down. Got to cut along this seam right here. And new metal will be welded in. This piece actually up here will fit in this spot right here. So here's what we got. That piece will be installed and replace this rusty one. Once this piece, which I just cut room for, is welded in, and then this Friday we can flip this whole thing over and begin working on getting it finished. It is going to be a scorcher with rain, so July 4th, what's the plan for today? Gonna have to finish this side, get it ready for primer. A lot of work to do, but not as much as when I brought it in here. And I'm gonna have to finish the rear end. Then we're gonna spin this whole thing because it's on that toolbox underneath there, 180, and begin this side. So we took down the whole side, and now another thin layer of filler. More imperfections will disappear. Cruz, it's 1,000 degrees outside. What do you think?
What I think is 1,060. I feel my brain melted.
I feel it too. Luckily we have a shelter.
Shelter and fans.
Yeah, it's hot. It's starting to cure, right?
Yep.
Already.
That's why we can mix too much. You see?
He's an artist.
We started drying.
You see it? Yep. So that's where you stop.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm stopping.
It's already no good.
That's how it is.
During the winter, that'll take an hour if it's cold. Maybe not?
No, 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
15 minutes. Because depending how much dry you put.
Right. That's what's got to be done today. The goal is to try to get this hit with another layer of filler. I took all that down to metal. I've got to hit that with rust killer, which is in that bottle right there. And then wrap up the day. And then there's this wicked side. Given the circumstances of how hot it is, I'm done. See you on Monday. I guess that'll be July 6th.